Welcome to Managing Software Engineering Projects. I will be your instructor throughout our semester here. My name is David Thomas. I have over 20 years experience doing project management, software engineering, software development. So I come at this from a very practical, hands-on perspective. My intent with this course is to really prepare you to manage, lead software development efforts. You can take a number of different project management courses. There's professional project management certifications that you can take in general project management. And we'll talk a lot about principles that apply across disciplines. But we are going to be focused on software engineering, on software development and how you manage, control, and structure software development efforts. So that'll be a big part of this class. You'll have an opportunity to work as a team to develop a software project. As part of this effort, it's going to be throughout the semester that you'll be developing this with your team. You won't actually be writing any code. You won't be writing any software, though. If you wanted to do something like that for a demo or some screenshots or things you want to put together for presentations, you're welcome to do that. But the focus is not on actually writing code. It's about developing a product and understanding what it takes to develop that product. Software engineering is a part of that. There are many other pieces that have to be managed as part of delivering a product. And so this will be very hands-on in terms of actually practicing the things we're talking about in class. You're going to be learning about how to manage a team. You'll be working on a team, right, that's developing project artifacts. You'll be delivering those as part of your modules for this course. So the idea is to tie what we talk about in class to really hands-on practical application. To do that, you're going to make up a project, okay? So you're going to have some ideas about a software engineering project or product that you'd like to develop. You'll work with your team to figure out what that should look like, and then you're going to, the rest of the semester will be developing that product. So it should be fun. We'll have presentations at the end. There's usually a lot of really creative ideas that people share about different apps that they create, different software development efforts. So it should be good. AI is a thing. We'll talk about it. We'll have some lecture time on AI and how project managers are using AI to complete their work these days, right? And using those tools to be more efficient, be more effective. So I want you to learn how to use these tools as well, right? I expect you to use these tools for pulling together content. If you want to use AI to help develop a work breakdown structure for your project, go for it. But these tools are available to us as project managers. It's about learning how to use them appropriately and developing content that's rigorous and sound. Why is project management important, right? Have some concepts around that. Understand what a project is. Again, we'll hit some basic definitions, particularly around software engineering projects. Be able to describe project management, discuss key elements of a project management framework, talk about tools and techniques, and what's needed for project success. A few other things, relationship between a program, project, and a portfolio, and those different management types, and why they're needed for the enterprise. Understand the role of project managers. What does a project manager do? Probably something we should talk about. What skills do they need? What career opportunities are there for project managers? All right, we'll talk about the profession. We'll talk about project management as a discipline, as a profession in and of itself, the history of it, and where it's headed, and certifications around that. This is some data from a job growth survey across different countries indicating project management jobs in different industries. And you can see that there are, this is from Anderson Economic Group, and employment across 11 countries is strong in project management and growing. You can see the orange is from 2017 and projected for 2027, the growth in most of those countries that you see there. Collectively, the growth in project management is expected to be 33% over those 10 years. In the US alone, that's an additional 2.1 million jobs.